In this video, you'll learn how to create a landing page in WordPress. By following these steps, you will successfully set up a landing page tailored to your needs. Start by navigating to the WordPress website. Open your web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites. This is typically located in the main menu at the top of the page. After selecting Sites, you will be directed to a new screen where all your existing sites are listed. If you've not created a site yet, you will see an option to create a new one. Here, click on the button that says Create with AI. This option is designed to assist you in building your landing page quickly and efficiently. Once you click on Create with AI, a message will appear stating laying the foundations. This indicates that the system is preparing to generate your new site. At this point, it may take a few moments for the AI to process your request, so be patient. Next, you will see a prompt that states, make a website as unique as you. This is where you will begin to customize your landing page. Type in the phrase, create a landing page into the provided field. This action informs the AI of the specific type of landing page you want to create. After entering your text, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will initiate the AI's process of generating the landing page based on your input. You should see a confirmation message indicating that WordPress.com can create a landing page for you. Following this, you will be prompted to choose from the options provided. Type in the selection that matches your desired outcome, which may vary based on the previous steps. Again, press Enter to confirm your choice. As you progress, a message will ask you to input the name of your site. This is the title that will appear in the browser. Type in your chosen site name and press Enter once more to proceed. You will then be prompted to provide a tagline or description for your site. This text will be displayed in search results and on social media previews. Type in your desired tagline and press Enter to confirm. Next, select the option labeled Create My Site. This button will finalize your choices and start the creation process for your landing page. You may need to wait a moment for the system to process your request. After clicking on Create My Site, a message will appear that says, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the system is currently working on generating your landing page. Keep an eye on the progress indicator that appears. You may notice that the system states, this might take a while. This is a normal part of the process as the AI is compiling all the information and settings you have provided. Be patient during this stage as the duration can vary based on the complexity of your input. Once the generation process is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that your landing page has been successfully created. At this point, you can view and further customize your new landing page as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.